Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to the Scarborough House at 1000 East Avenue in Rochester.
This is a spectacular, totally updated condo with a premier location.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Greet your family and friends with this ultra posh lobby, with a seating area along with door security.
Upon entering this unit, you see a wall of windows, making it light and bright. Complemented with phenomenal open living with a granite kitchen with beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Overlooking the dining area with bamboo floors, and living area with built-ins. This is great, modern, updated living. This unit also features a spacious bedroom with a wall of windows, an expansive storage closet, and a stunning updated full bathroom.
Enjoy great amenities, including this lounge to relax or play a game, a private storage unit, and laundry. What a great place to live! Enjoy the meticulously maintained grounds with a shaded patio area and great off-street parking. This is a premier location nearby everything prestigious East Avenue has to offer. Rob, this is one of Rochester's hotspots.
This is the trendy and fun East Avenue area with great restaurants, shops, and nightlife. There's always something fun to do. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Scarborough House on East Avenue in Rochester.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!